This is Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Ag Update. Well, corn futures basically fought to a draw on Friday, but traders are having a hard time getting bullish on corn since the U.S. supplies are ample and export volumes are faltering. The Ukraine undercuts U.S. offers to China by at least $10 per metric ton, and the trade also believes that the big acreage story for the 2020 crop could produce anywhere from a 2.7 to as much as a 4 billion bushel carryout. Carryouts at that level would make it very hard for the market to sustain a significant rally. As I record this, the overnight spot corn futures are trading 2 cents higher. Soybeans on Friday closed 2 to 3 cents lower, which in light of everything going on was probably a pretty decent close. The Dalian Exchange in China had soybeans 34 cents a bushel lower for the session. There were rumors that China was sniffing around for soybeans out of the Pacific Northwest on Friday, but nothing was confirmed. And Brazilian values of China still beat U.S. values by anywhere from $6 to $15 per metric ton. Here in the U.S., crush margins are running at a very positive, and so that should encourage domestic demand. In the overnight trade, we have spot soybean futures trading 3 cents higher. Wheat values were lower right out of the chute on Friday, but reversed midday, and at the closing bell, we had Chicago 2 to 3 cents lower, while Kansas City and Minneapolis each posted higher closes. Values worldwide still seem to be slipping, but here in the U.S., hard red winter wheat is now at a $3 per metric ton discount to Russia, so we may see some export business come our way. In the overnight trade, Chicago is 2 cents lower, Kansas City is down 3, and Minneapolis is trading 2.5 cents lower as I record this. The cotton market continues to struggle. Friday saw May cotton futures close it down $1.01 to settle at $61.49 per hundredweight. Livestock futures markets were lower straight across the board. The April live cattle futures contract finished down $2.90, while April feeder cattle futures were $1.37.5 lower. Lean hog futures also retreated, with the April futures finishing the day 27.5 cents lower. Class 3 milk futures continued their string of losing sessions, with March futures closing down 1 point to settle at 16.31. In the overnight, we're seeing a little bit of a rebound. We have spot futures up 6 points as I record this. The cash livestock markets had a negative tone as well. At the close, we had choice beef boxes 24 cents lower to close at 205.30, while selects were down 78 cents, settling at 198.91. Pork carcass values retreated slightly, closing down 17 cents as they settled at $64.12 per hundredweight. This has been Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Ag Update. We'll be right back with more financial issues after this.